Total Wireless provides several tools to combat spam calls: call filter, block list, and do not disturb. These are essential due to the rising number of robocalls and scams affecting users. Call filter, powered by Verizon's AI, automatically screens calls and blocks suspected spam. It uses pattern recognition to identify high-volume callers and can be customized in the Total Wireless app. The block list allows manual addition of up to 100 specific numbers or prefixes, perfect for persistent unwanted callers. It syncs across devices and lets blocked callers leave voicemails. Do Not Disturb is a standard Android feature that Total Wireless supports, letting you silence calls during specific times or from unknown numbers, with exceptions for starred contacts. These tools work best together to provide comprehensive spam protection. For optimal protection against spam calls on Total Wireless, use these three tools in combination. Call Filter automatically handles automated spam using Verizon's database. Enable it via the My Total Wireless app and review blocked call logs periodically. The block list targets known offenders. Add persistent spam numbers through the app or website. Do Not Disturb provides user-driven scheduling. Configure it to silence unwanted calls during specific hours, allowing exceptions for important contacts. Regularly update the Call Filter app to benefit from the latest spam detection improvements. Total Wireless offers real-time alerts for blocked calls. By utilizing all three tools effectively, you can significantly reduce spam calls and protect yourself from potential scams.